Okay, so in case you've never been to the Waldorf in Chicago, this is where we're at right now. Come in, little snack selection here. That's some Weller 107, but that's mine. I brought it with me. Closet space. What do we have here? Let's see. Basic. Yeah, that whole area, it's just a closet. It's not really big of a deal. Here's the room. It's always nice to have a fireplace. So as you can see here, a little fireplace, but TV above it, so you can sit there, crack the door a little bit, let the cold air in, have a fireplace going. There's the restroom there. Rest of the room, not restroom. Okay, there's me. Hey, me. So we can find a light here somewhere, hopefully. I don't know where it is exactly. There we go. Here's the bathroom. I always love the tub here because it's super, super deep, as you can see. There's my wife sitting outside having wine. See a little balcony outside there. And you can see all of downtown Chicago. Not down, we're facing away from downtown Chicago, so you can see the west side of Chicago, I guess. These open up, of course. A toilet in a room, awesome. And a shower in another little room. Of course, as always, the Ferragamo accessories. And just a basic shower head. You can see, that's kind of... There we go. So yeah, basically that's the whole room. I recommend the Waldorf. I love it here. It's a nice stay. There's the bathroom again. It's nice that you would think that you're like, oh wait, but there's actually blinds that close across the windows so people can't see you when you're in the bathtub. Unless you want to, and then in which case it's fine, you know, hey, let them see you. There's the room again. Whoop, let's go out on the balcony, shall we? Let's see who's on the balcony. Hey, look, it's my wife on the balcony. How's the wine?
Delicious.
Little rosé.
Rosé.
My fall day in Chicago. So here's the view you're basically looking at. There's a courtyard down there. Christmas tree. Yeah, this is your view. It's always nice to have a balcony. Yeah. Oh, there you go. That is the Waldorf Astoria in Chicago.